Darren. Okay, fuck you.
We didn't even need the butcher blood.
The butcher blood.
Stop, I need to cook a moon.
You can't cook, there's still a label on it, Debbie.
Fuck you,
Should have taken it
Darren.
off and not taken the shit back. I've been sleeping with your husband. Oh my God. What the fuck is that? Another way of that.
Oh, I needed you. For £13, I don't. Taking a ruler home with me for personal use. I'm Erlan Olivekin.
Arvitarian Stonehenge.
They're all lampan. What's up, guys? It's your boy Tero here, back at it again at Ikea. What's up, guys? Who are you locking in there?
Me. My life. My will to live. We found it, we're locking it away.
Oh, it's not necessary anyway.
Anyone want a shopping list?
Oh. Sorry?
It's the German Football League.
Oh. Good evening and welcome, sir. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why is there flaps? Oh, mate, this is like a portable gamer station. Look at this. So much room for activities. Hell yeah. Are you insulting my mother?
No, but it just really is her. And it's...
What, because it's fuck ugly and ceramic? Like, what?
No, it looks like a duck.
It doesn't. Where's this, like, anything?
Are you recording? Please don't show your mum that I insulted her. I'm sorry. You really scare me. Please don't hurt me. What's up, gays?
Oh, is it an uppy downy day? Do you want your keyboard back?
Can you give me my keyboard, please? What fucking thing to type with? So, what can I get for you guys today?
I want
Two number nines.
Number 9 long.
I'll have an InDesign.
Number 6 with extra.
One
dip.
each.
I'll have 8 conflam mops.
How do you spell that?
Can I have an eye descend,
I feel
please?
sorry for anyone who's dyslexic that works here. Like, the fuck.
An eye descend. What else?
Oh, I have done I descend.
Jafal.
Oh, what about a hatterflaglaff?
I'll have a
Jowl.
fling tan.
And a fling tan. And what about you, man with long
Yeah,
hair?
I'll just have Marcus, mate.
Marcus. Is that the man or the chair?
Both. Which one's going?
I like some phalanges as well.
I can't get one for you. A copy of Stonehenge.
Oh, please,
it's
yes.
in Sweden.
Limited edition.
That will cost
Seigsler.
money.
Lots.
Can I speak to your
too
manager,
much.
please?
I am the manager.
Oh, can I speak to the other manager?
Wait, Karen, look more Karen. What's your complaint? If you're gonna act like that, you can get the fuck out.
Excuse me, ma'am, I don't think that's appropriate language to
Well,
be addressing one
Came
of
to
your
my
customers.
Hadja Tafal the other day. And
You did what?
You did what to my what?
I'm going to take this for a read on the train.
Can I have a
Can you
go?
finish your complaint, please?
Well, I bought a Hadja
Typing, you arsehole.
Hadja
all of
Tafal
you.
the other day from over there.
Right, what one?
The Hatter Jafal, the swivel chair with arms, right next to the Lang Jafal and the Fal Jafal.
Right, yeah.
What about a Flinton? Have we tried one of them?
What about now?
Right, wait, can I sort out his problem, please? Continue.
But it was quite for jolly, but I got the impression there wasn't much hatter in it.
Right,
So could I maybe
can
get a
add
refund
you
or
a
replace
hatter.
it? Can you? How much would that
Hatter
be?
for Jowl
We
is
can
quite
offer you it
expensive.
because I don't have a mouse.
How many fucking
It's
letters
touch
on?
screen.
Because,
Is this even on, Karen? Is this
Is
even
this
real?
thing on?
yeah, I can offer you it for free because can you come back here, you autistic fuck? I can offer you a new one.
Birthday, Karen.
Right. Because.
Oh, it's Karen's birthday.
Yeah.
I need to go.
Stop,
We're
I
getting
don't-
birthday presents for Karen.
I can offer
I'm leaving. You know
you
what?
like your extra hattie.
I think it's birthday, Karen.
Oh, we're being looked at.
Oh, that's lovely.
A lovely clock.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
This is
They're looking
my
at us.
thing. I made.
I don't know why they expect people to have this many pictures in their house. It doesn't make any sense.
It is, I mean, it's very specific, isn't it?
I mean, who's got this much space?
Dinner's ready, Lucas. You're not going to eat something?
I can't use chopsticks.
Dinner is served. Oh my lord. It's
She's
Wolverine.
forking.
Forked it out.
Yes.
This house.
No,
This is our
no,
house.
it's called Bod Bin.
Right, no.
Shut
right.
up.
Go to your room, okay? I'm speaking to your father.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I know what you did with Julie, and I
The
took
door
your
screwed
credit card,
closed.
and I went fucking crazy. Because fuck you, Darren. Fuck you, Darren. I know you've been fucking Katie.
I'm about to fuck Katie on this bobbin.
What's a bamboo bergen?
This?
What's bamboo?
You're fucking shit, I know.
Oh, it's free pencil.
Why the absolute fuck do we have a garden in that kitchen?
Oh, should I have a snack?
What are you doing? Get out of there. Get out of there.
What is it?
From the kitchen.
What is it? Oh, don't lick it!
Making dinner.
Have you actually got any food and you're just going to fry the pan?
Excuse me, do you take the water bill? Have you paid the fucking water
Tap's
bill?
not fucking working.
Are you taking the piss?
She's not even cooking any food, you're going
I'm trying to fucking...
Oh my god, Karen. Chemnitz?
Depression.
Oh, I really wanted to have a poo. Oh, it's screwed down as well, so you can't even try.
What are you doing?
I wanted to get inside.
No.
Don't go back in the closet, son.
Don't come in. Honestly, no, that's
Leave,
not
leave it. Leave it.
That's not problem. Look at all this mustard.
That's a hefty amount of mustard.
I've been going to Mustard's Anonymous. Please hit Anonymous.
I know they're in here somewhere. There. There. Ah, there.
Eat your dinner.
I don't want it, Mum.
Eat your dinner.
Is it ready yet? Oh, the fuck is that?
Oh, it's fucking burned. Look, it's burned.
Ooh, the tomato nord.
So guys, I'm going to need to stop the aggressive remarks towards each other.
It's a twat
The
though.
first step. See, this is the kind of behaviour I'm talking about.
It's affecting our son. He's so sad.
Honestly, he looks like
Because
a
your mother's
nice
a
kid.
whore, isn't it?
Do you know what? Why don't we ask our son what he wants? Dad, what do you want?
I want to be an oriental rug.
Karen, I'm about to dab on you and go, whoa,
Okay,
Sharon.
okay, alright, let's just slow it down a bit.
Do you know what?
Is this like a divorce bed? Is this where like you got to pretend you're in the same bed but you got to have a division? What is this?
Yeah, not financially possible to have a divorce yet, so you still got to live together.
MTV Cribs here. Can you do us a house tour, please? Oh, he's walked off. Oh, he's back. Can you do us a house tour?
Smash her, and this is where the magic happens.
Wow, I love magicians.
Come here, Michael. This fucking...
No, but someone asked.
Why the fuck have you left skid marks in the back?
Again.
Again?
This is the 8th time we've told you, Ted.
I've had to buy more and more bats because we can't keep fucking getting rid of them. They're like atomic shit.
Use a different bathroom. We've got
What the
so
fuck have you
fucking
been
many.
eating?
What have you been eating for it to be black?
This is
You're
acidic.
scraping. You're scraping the bath
Have you got
ceramic.
gravel in your arsehole? There's a bunch of compliments.
I don't want a compliment.
Here you go, compliment.
Hey, it's lovely to meet you. Oh my god. Are you my mum?
Yeah.
Oh shit, the same time.
You're for adoption because you're gay.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I fucking hated you.
I wonder what it's like to be inside a glass bottle. Imagine being a rose.
I'm going to murder my husband, Darren.
Barry.
Hello there. You're gonna itch your ass with that?
We can go like both ways, you can go like under.
Do you want a cig?
That was good, that. Can I take 2?
Sure. Right, Dale and Chan.
There's something in here. Where is it? Ah, you.
This is a mic test after dropping the Ricoh Theta V.